Be a high value man like Iman Gatsby, Jordan B. Peterson, or even someone like Jordan Wells? Yes, you can be like them with the help of AI. In today's video, I will show you how you can be like them and how AI can help you achieve this. You will learn everything in this video. The value this video can bring to you is something you can't find anywhere else on YouTube. So, if you're interested in this type of content and other AI and business related stuff, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you keep watching till the end. I was scrolling through Iman Gatsby's YouTube page and I came across his video about being a high value man or a 1% man in 2023. I watched the video and after that I was wondering how AI can help in this process. So in today's video we're gonna explain that and make you a high value man. What we need to find out in this video is like what a high value man really is, how AI could play a part in it, and if yes, how could AI play a part in it? And keep remember, I'm making this video because I want to help all of you being a high value man. So first of all, what is a high value man? For this we're going to use ChatGPT and let's ask him. Okay, so now we're on ChatGPT and now we're going to ask him what a high value man really is. Okay, so what ChatGPT is really saying is that a high value man has confidence, ambition, integrity, is emotional stable, also has a good financial situation, and also has a good physical. Reading this, I see that all of the people I named in the beginning of this video has all of these things in common. So, which step can AI help us with? So I think we all know which step AI can help us with. And yeah, it's step number 5, financial stability. So what we're going to do is start up a business using only AI. And now you're thinking, what business are we going to start? And for that, we need to go to upwork.com. Yes, you heard it right, Upwork. So fit it in the top of your browser and let's go. Okay, so now you're going to go to the top and select find work, and after that find work for your skills. And when the page is loaded, you're going to type in writing. Oh, here you go. 314 scriptwriter jobs posted on Upwork. And some of them has really good payouts. Like here you go, you got someone that pays 100, here's one that pays 800, here's one that pays like 50, and we have way more. So you can select some jobs and start earning some money. So if you click on a job and it says write an article for animals, the only thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT again and write me an article for animals. So, as you can see, ChatGPT gave us a very long article about animals, but if you want it shorter, you can just choose the amount of words you want, and then you get it. If you don't like some parts, you can change it yourself, and you get a perfect article for the job you just accepted. If I was you, I would check the article and just see if you like some parts or maybe leave some part out. After that, you're gonna go to Upwork and just deliver the article. So, it's just that easy to make some money online with the help of AI. If you guys want me to do a deep dive into this business and test it out for myself, I can make a series out of this, but just let me know. I'm really curious if you guys want to try this or I've already tried this, because this is a really good way of making money online, and with the help of AI this is just easy and everyone can do this. Also, this is like my first video, so if you want to see more or other businesses being tested, I'm open for all kind of businesses, but just let me know some ones we can do with AI. And we're gonna test them and see if we can make some money with other businesses as well. And I know this was just a short video because I just want to give you this business idea. Also, if you like the style of editing on this video, please let me know, because then I know what to do for the next videos. Okay, so for now, we're gonna leave it at this point, and we will see you at the next video. I think the next video is gonna be about another business, so stay tuned and just subscribe. Peace out.